Welcome to the Top 4 Earn channel.
Hey, what's up? Do you want to get paid anywhere from 50 cents to $4 repeatedly again and again and make passive income online? Yes. With a strategy that can be set up in less than 5 minutes? There is no limit of how much you can make. You can make hundreds of dollars daily just like this. You can follow this video step by step 100% free to get started and will never cost you a single cent. Plus, it works anywhere in the world. Also, with this strategy, you can get paid every single day, so you don't have to wait. But you must stay until the end of this video, because if you don't, I'll not show you how to put this together so you have the best chance to make the most money. Head over to cpalead.com. Now, the reason you want to use this is because every action you can get somebody to do, you'll get paid for that. So it's not that you have to buy anything, you don't have to sell anything. All you need to do is make them do a free action, and then you're gonna make X dollars. And I'm gonna show you how to make the most amount of money right here. Now, the reason this is really good is because this is trusted by a lot of different big companies. As you can see, this website has been around since 2006, and they have paid out over $100 million to mobile app and website developers in over 180 countries. Step number 2, go to the top right here and then click on sign up. Here you can sign up with Facebook or sign up with Google. If you don't have any of those accounts, you can still sign up without any of those. But it's so easy, just click on this button, you're done. So now you can see that we're on the inside right here, and what you want you to do is step number 3, find your country. So as you can see right here, they have 180 different countries, including India, Ghana, France, Germany, and they have all of these different countries that you can be doing this from and making money without selling in just 5 minutes. Step number 5, find a good offer. Now, as you can see, if we just scroll down here, you can see free Walmart samples, Norton Secure VPN, Space VPN, Solitaire Deluxe Classic, and as you can see, they want you to download an app and so forth. Now, what we're actually going to go through in this video, as you can see on the payout here, we want to have one that pays out quite a bit. And we don't want to have just iOS and mobile apps. We actually want all devices. So actually what we're going to talk about today is how they can win a $1,000 Walmart gift card. And we're going to promote this in a very special way that has no sales involved, and it's all completely free for you to do, free for them to do, and then you will make, as you can see, 58 cents per action. Let me show you how easy this is. Just click on $1,000 Walmart gift card, and as you can see, here is your affiliate link. Now, here are some of the conditions that you have to do in order to promote this. Only share with people from these countries, United States. Now, this is not a problem because CPA Lead, if they find out that somebody from, Spain, Germany, France sign up to this, they will hit a redirect page and they will get redirected to an offer that actually works for those countries. So you'll still get paid money even if they're not from the United States. And you can only target these devices, all devices, converts, complete survey. So they have to complete the survey. And let me show you exactly what this looks like if you just click on this link. As you can see, this is where they will end up. Get a chance to win a $1,000 gift card. Literally all they would need to do is enter their email right here, and then you'll make 58 cents per action. Now I want you to pay very close attention and don't skip ahead, because then you'll miss out on a lot of the great things I'll show you in this video. But before that, remember to slap that subscribe button, smash the like button, also comment down below, I want to travel to blank because blank, and you can enter to win a $1,000 course. Now here is step number 5. Go to tryinteract.com. I use a paid service to do this, but I'm looking out for you, so this is all free for you to use. Just click right here and make your own quiz for free. Step number 6, make the quiz. Now, a very, very important thing that you have to realize is that congruency principle. All right, so as you can see, this is all blue, white, and gray. But if we would use some like this, like a red or another color like this background, yellow background color, well, the congruency principle would not be there, and they would like subconsciously in their mind go, oh, I don't like this. This is new information. I don't want to sign up. Now, that is no problem because we are going to use the exact same color and try to make it as congruent as possible. So we're going to use this template right here. So here we're going to write, take the quiz to win $1,000 Walmart gift card. We're also going to change the color of it, as we talked about, to blue. And the description text, we're going to write, wouldn't it be nice to have an extra $1,000 next time you're going to Walmart? And then we want to edit the cover image. All we have to do is click on it, head over to Walmart gift card here on Google, download this image right here, and then we're going to replace the image right here. We need to have the perfect dimensions, 900 by 400. So what we're going to do is go over to canva.com. We're going to click a create new design, and then we're going to have a custom size right here, 900 by 400, create new design. Then we'll take the Walmart card that we just put in here, upload it to the drive, then drag it directly on here, and as you can see, pretty simple to use. Canva is all free to use, by the way, so I got you guys covered. No expenses. Just like that, we can download that photo, PNG. Now we can just take that design, pop it right in here, click on upload, just like that, crop and save. Boom! Doesn't that look good? Do you want to take the quiz? Step number 7, add the questions. So I'm going to add an image of an actual, grocery store right here to make it again congruent. This is an actual Walmart. Now we're going to have the question be, and I don't like these colors, so we're going to go with blue again. So as you can see, this is the actual quiz question that they'll get. Now to make this more legit, they can't just answer one question and then they'll get taken directly to the affiliate link. So they have to do at least one more question. Have you smashed the like button? Yes, no, of course, I always smash it. No, but I'll stay to the end of the video. Okay, so I like you if you hit this one or this one or this one, but if you hit this one, I'll send you 36 McDonald's cheeseburgers to your door right now, but they're all moldy. Yeah, that's right, you can't eat any of them, but if you did like the video, they'll have no mold on them. Yep, that's right. I take care of the like button army. So as you can see, we've made the cover, we made the questions, and then we could have a results page, basically 0 to 6 if they answer yada yada. But what we're gonna do is actually to click on redirect results right here. So once they finish with the actual quiz, they'll just get instantly taken and redirected to our affiliate link. So now what I want you to do is go back to CPA lead, click your affiliate link right here, just copy that, then go back to the quiz again, and then enter the redirect link. Just like that, save it. As you can see, you're redirected right now, and then all you need to do is click on publish right here. Here is your quiz link. I have my own quiz link that I use all the time to get people into my offers on what I'm selling, and it really increases the conversions and makes it easy for you to make money, and it's all completely for free. Now, how are you going to send people to this actual link? Step number 8, go to facebook.com, and then we're going to search for gift cards right here. And here you can just click on groups, and we are going to enter a ton of different Facebook groups right here. So here you can see gift cards and free gifts ads, Amazon gift cards, Google gift cards, Netflix, PayPal, Spotify, and all of these gift cards, and you can post in here and get people to get free gift cards through your link. But there's another search term you can also use called enter to win. So if you have that one in there, you can see that these groups are all dedicated to help people, win different giveaways, win different gifts and stuff, and they will easily sign up for free to enter to win a $1,000 Walmart gift card. And as I said, if they're not from the US, they will get redirected to another offer that's actually available in that country as well. So it doesn't matter if you just get US people to this. Another search term you can use is sweepstakes. So with the sweepstakes, they have a lot of different people that want to join these and win, make money from these groups right here. I've made a lot of money through Facebook groups. It's so easy, and since they don't have to buy anything, it's a very, very easy sell. And the last one I want to show you is called freebies. So search for freebies, and as you can see, people are really interested. 33,000 members, 10,000 members, 8.3 thousand members, all are in here just to get free stuff. And on the post, you will write something like this: do you want to enter to win a $1,000 Walmart gift card for free? What would you buy with an extra $1,000 next time you're at Walmart? And then you have your link, you have the image. So to conclude, all you need to do is get your affiliate link from cpalead.com. You have to make a quiz that they can walk through that redirects them to your affiliate link. Then market that link towards different Facebook groups. Now,